Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to create our first Java program. Before we write a program, let us see how we can create a Java project inside Eclipse. To create a project, we have multiple ways. We can go to File menu, and go to New and select Java project option. Or from the toolbar, we have this tool over here. If you click on that, you will see a whole bunch of different projects that you can create. You can select Java project from this place and click Next and give your project some name. Let us say a sample project 1, and let the default settings as is. Just click on next button over here and click finish. During the process, if you get any open associated perspectives kind of warning box, just say yes, that is fine. And that's it. A project has been created. You will see when you expand the tree, you will see JRE system library, that is Java runtime environment, which is required to execute the application which is developed in Java, the code that is developed in Java. And then we have something called as SRC, which is the source folder, which will contain all the Java code. So anything and everything that we are going to create inside this SRC folder. So let us right click on the SRC folder and go to new and select a package. Now a package is something that combines multiple classes together. So a package is very similar to the concept of folder, which contains multiple classes. Let's give some name to the package. Now there are some rules that we generally follow when we specify a package name. The first rule is it should start with a small letter, something like pkg1. While saying that, we can also make it a capital letter, but it will show a warning that it is a discouraged package name. So recommended is a small character, a snake case. Now package name cannot have spaces in between, and if you really want to segregate two words, you can add underscore, that is fine. Again, package name cannot have any number at the beginning, or it cannot even start with a special character. Only special character allowed is dollar. You can start with a dollar, that is fine, but other than dollar, no other special character is allowed. A couple of rules to remember when we create a package name, and then click finish. Then go ahead and right click on the package and go to new and select the class. Now we'll understand what is class, what is object, all these concepts when we will touch the concepts of object-oriented programming in the level 3. For now, just right click on the package, select a class and give it some name. Let's call it as class 1. The similar rules apply for class as well. Only thing is, class name is recommended to start with an uppercase. If you try to start it with a lowercase, then it will show a warning, not an error, but a warning that the type name is discouraged. Okay. Also, a class name cannot have space in between. It can have an underscore, and it cannot start with a special character or a number, or only special character allowed is a dollar. But again, dollar is discouraged in the beginning. Okay. So a couple of rules to remember when we specify class name. And also for now, whatever class we create, we are going to select this public static void main. Just for now, it has certain importance. When you select this checkbox, it is going to create a main method inside the class, which is required for us to execute that class standalone. Generally, in one application, there is just one main method because it acts as the entry point of the execution. So when a Java application is executed, the JVM actually searches for the main method from the application from where the execution kicks off. For now, as we are going to develop some small pieces of code inside the classes and we want to run the classes standalone, we are going to create a main method in each class. So when you create a class, you see a template like this. You will see the package name at the beginning, then you see the name of the class, and then the main method, which is public static void main, and whatever code that we want to write, we will write it inside the main method. For now, we are going to type SYSOUT and we are going to say control and space. This is a shortcut to generate this statement, system.out.println. So whatever we specify over here inside the println statement, that will get printed in the console. So let us say hello world. Any string that we specify inside the system.out.println statement, that will get printed in the console. To save a program, you can use Command S or Control S or these tools over here. And to run a program, you can right click on the main method and run it as Java application. And when you run the program, if you see hello world getting printed in the console, it means all the installations that we have done so far is successful and our program is running fine. Thank you so much for watching this session, and I'll talk about basic concepts of programming in upcoming sessions.